It's been 2 years that we've been on YouTube, and what a journey this has been. We've had our highs and lows, but found that perfect niche of making gourmet cooking really easy. Don't forget to subscribe and hit on the bell icon as I create one of the most easiest apple cobblers with an assortment of apples thrown right in. An assortment of apples, so 10 apples, but technically I've taken 3 Granny Smith, 3 Royal Delicious, 2 Red Delicious and 2 Indian Fuji. Just peel them all together and slice them and put it into a bowl. Into this goes half a cup of dark brown sugar, about 6 to 8 tablespoons of refined flour, the juice of 2 lemons, just to give it that zingety zing, a teaspoonful of some cinnamon powder, and lastly, all I'm going to put is a teaspoon of some ginger powder. All we're going to do now is toss this up, bask in the flavor that the spice brings, and dunk it into a greased bowl. Now for that hearty cobbler mix. So into a glass bowl goes in about 2 cups of refined flour, 1 cup of sugar, any sugar will do, about 4 teaspoons of this gorgeous leveling agent that is baking powder, and you need 4 teaspoons because you want it to rise really well, and lastly nearly 2 cups of milk. You just put that in, throw in some vanilla extract, about 1.5 teaspoons just for that burst of flavor, and whisk the whole thing up and pour it right on top. You want this to be as lumpy as possible, so just whisk it for about 1 minute to 1.5 minutes and let it be as clunky as possible, just to dollop right on top. Chunks of it here and there, and this goes bang into a preheated oven. At 190 degrees centigrade for just about 45 minutes. This dessert is easy peasy redefined. Now this is what I do for my cobblers. Halfway through, that is when there's nearly 20 minutes left, you take out the cobbler dough which is half baked and just pour some melted butter right on it. 12 tablespoons of melted butter just nestles on top. Back in it goes for the last 20 minutes. The melted butter at the last 20 minutes has given it that perfect golden hue, and my easy peasy apple cobbler, heavily spiced, is ready. I hope you enjoyed creating this one with me. The apple cobbler is truly a delight when enjoyed with some vanilla ice. Don't forget to share loads of love by hitting on the like button. Stay safe, stay blessed, happy 2 years to us, and don't forget to leave a note below.